Hello everybody, it's Edward Reviews here, and today we're going to be looking at this month's purchases. The first thing I'm going to take a look at today, the first thing I bought was Salty Secret, the 2002 Anchor Bay printing of it. It's got an 8-page commemorative booklet. Very nice. A couple pages on the new characters too. Got a brand spanking new. Second item is the 2009 Lionsgate printing of Hershey's Chocolate Crunch. Forgot to show the back of Salty Secret. It does not have a booklet or anything, but it does have the DVD here. Got that for about $13. The next item that we're going to be taking a look at is the Workshed. I got this one for about $40, which I think is pretty good. It's the Traction Road one from 2002. It's odd because it says 2001 on the side, even though it's 2002. It's very good condition as well. I've been looking for this piece for quite a while. Nothing on the very nice clean bottom, even though there's nothing on it. Very nice. I've already even keyed it into my layout as well. And the last item that I ordered this month is the 5-car gift pack. Thank you for choosing Learning Curve on the side. Here's the back of your box for anybody wanting to see it. I got the updated one with the 2006 Oliver. Let's start out with Brady. Man, these things are a pain in the butt to get out. I will be posting a review on all these eventually. Oliver's easier to get out. I actually have 2 of the 2006 ones, which I think is very rare for somebody to have. At least a Thomas Wayne Railway collector to have. Let's take a look at Fred next. There's Fred. These 2 are the ones I was most excited for, as I did not have a regular Toby as of this point. Before I run out of there. Totally mutilate this box just to put Toby in. This is the 2002 version of Toby. I had a Toby as a kid, but I only have the 2009 one. I mean, the Tommy version of Toby. And last but certainly not least, she's the main reason I bought this pack. Arteta. Very, very excellent coach. She's got something on her. I'm really glad I could find one. I mean, there's plenty of them, but I really just wanted them for the great selection of characters. Move everything over to Thank you all for watching this month's purchases. I will make sure to post a review on all 5 of the Wooden Railway items I got. I will not be posting a review of the 2 DVDs unless y'all want to see them. Then just comment and say you want to see them, and I'll definitely start a DVD reviewing series. But thank you all for watching. Bye for now.